Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin and we're going to be checking out a quick update that you might have missed. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we're in my Rollercoin account, and to be honest with you, not a whole lot has changed to my account. The only thing that has really changed is my total power. Now it's actually gone down. So when obviously we completed the season 3 pass, once we completed it all, my total power went up to about 51 petahashes. Finally, the sort of those temporary power boosts that we got in season 3 have finished and obviously have gone from my account. So now we're showing that we're just under 50 petahashes. So we're around about, I think, around about 51, close to 52. We're now just below 50, as you can see there. But what we are looking at today is a quick update that has been released today by Rollercoin that probably most of you have not seen yet. Now, you guys probably know that every Monday, Rollercoin pick a coin to give double block rewards on, and usually those coins are voted by you. So in Facebook and their various other social media, they put it out, what coins do you want us to double up this coming week? And a lot of times it's RLT, BTC, or something, one of the real popular coins. But now in this new update, they are doubling up on their doubling up. So let's see what they've got to say. So they've come out and basically said, from now we will choose not one but up to 4 coins at the same time to be increased. How is it going to work? Every Monday we will choose 2 to 4 coins to increase the block size for them. The block reward for each selected coin will increase at a specific rate. It can be 1.5, 2.5 or even higher. Thus, block rewards will constantly change, making each selected crypto more profitable to mine. Now that is brilliant, I think, because that means that especially for those of you that have got lower accounts, you can pick from up to 4 different coins to mine, and you're going to get an increased rate on each of those coins. So they then go on to say the increased rewards for the selected coins will be held for at least 1 week. So obviously anything that they choose to boost, that is going to be a boost for an entire week. After that, the new rewards will be chosen, so every player will get a chance to grab the most out of the increased block rewards for their favorite coins. Now obviously the way you could do it is you could pick 2 of the 4 or whatever and just boost those coins. Or what you could do is you could boost, say, 2 coins for half the week and then swap and boost the other 2 coins for the rest of the week. Entirely up to you. I would probably go to picking 2 coins and just boost them for the whole week, because you'll find that maybe those other 2 coins that you've not selected will pop up again at a later time, and then you can select them the next time they come around. Okay, so they then say, stay tuned not to miss the latest weekly reward updates. We will announce the selected coins and the rates of increase every Monday. So that's really good, because not only are they going to tell you what coins are being boosted, but they are also going to tell you how much they are being increased by, so that so you can make the best decision because you've got all the information. So do not miss the latest update And don't forget to switch your mining power. Obviously, that is very important. So meet the coins of the first week of increased rewards. So you've got Ethereum, which is going from 0.005 to 0.008. BNB, now this is a pretty good one, going from 0.012 to 0.02. And then you got Matic going from 3 to 4. So again, you know, I mean, the Ethereum, I would probably, out of all of them, that is probably the one I wouldn't pick. I would probably go for maybe a full-on BNB or BNB and a bit of Matic. Because Matic's going to mine really quick anyway. So you could do something like maybe, say, 70% Binance and then 30% Matic. And that is going to build up nicely. Okay, so that's all for today. But we plan on returning one more feature everyone has been waiting for very soon, so stay tuned. Now, what I think that's going to be is the return of the weekly... What was it? The weekly giveaway, was it? Weekly, not weekly giveaway. When they basically... So they would pick miners on their weekly sales page or whatever. So is it the daily sales page or whatever? That is what I think is going to be coming back. So, you know, if that is what's returning, that means that you guys are going to start getting some really good miners at cheap prices again. So that's going to help you boost your account. And then you've now also got these, anything up to these 4 coins being boosted as well. So hopefully that is really going to start moving your account forward, because don't forget, we got season 4 coming very, very soon. Okay, so quickly, before we go, if we just dive into my wallet, it's just going to be a quick payment proof, really. If we dive into Bitcoin, go to history. So I made this withdrawal today. So 120,000 BTC. I did that today. And then I did this on the 27th of February, and I have now received that. So that's 104,000 BTC. I have now received that in my account, in my wallet, my external wallet. So everything is still good. Rollercoin is still functioning as we want it to be, i.e. it is paying, and they are still doing a good job as far as I'm concerned in bringing updates and new things to make a better member experience. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found it helpful, fun and informative. And if you like what I do, it would be absolutely amazing if you could subscribe to my Patreon and support my channel for as little as $1, which then helps me bring more content to you. And if you're interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.